The entire production process of traditional medical braces and orthoses is relatively complex, so patients need to wait for a long time, and patients need to participate in the entire production process in person for a long time, which are several pain points of the existing process. With the improvement of digital technology, many hospitals and rehabilitation institutions have begun to try to use 3D printing technology. First, they obtain 3D model data by scanning patient parts, then design and make 3D models, and finally pour them into G5 FGF 3D printers for printing. Generally, it can be slightly processed or lined after completion, which is convenient for the patient to wear. This process solves the requirements for technicians in traditional processes, and also greatly shortens the production cycle. At the same time, patients do not need to cooperate with doctors for a long time to participate in the prototype selection of medical devices. We use PP pellets for this protective gear model, which is a colorless, odorless, non-toxic, translucent solid substance, which is a colorless and translucent thermoplastic lightweight general-purpose plastic. It has chemical resistance, heat resistance, electrical insulation, high-strength mechanical properties and good high wear-resistant processing properties, etc., with good impact resistance and toughness, and can play a good role in supporting and correcting for patients. Effect: we printed the entire protective gear model for an hour and a half. During the entire treatment process, the production efficiency was improved and the patient's waiting time was reduced.